Hey everyone, I'm Brian. You're watching the Build a Place channel. In this video, I'm going to show you a few tips that I've used for cutting siding. The first thing I do is get a couple of sawhorses, put a couple of long boards down that are at least 12 foot long or so. That gives you support. Then I take my old cardboard box that the siding came in, and that's my platform for cutting the siding. So it works really well. You get plenty of these boxes as you're doing siding because there's like two squares that come in each box. So as you're doing a house, you're going to use a lot of these boxes, and you can, as you cut through it, you'll see it starts to eat it away. You can always turn the box over, flip it around, or just plain get another box. That's the easiest thing to do. So I'm going to show you a couple tips or techniques that I use, and they've helped me with the siding I'm doing on the house. This is my current cutting platform. As you can tell, I've done a lot of cutting with this platform. It's time to replace it, I think. It's kind of seen better days. Got a hole there. Done some cross cutting, some little bit of angle cutting. And there's a whole lot of cross cutting that was done here. So I got a new box I'm going to put up today. I have my brand new box. I tape the ends up to kind of help hold it together, maybe square or here we'll be marking some Soffit. It's 12 3/4 inch pieces. I'm just using an oversized speed square to mark Soffit. And sometimes the speed square works good for as a guide, but most of the time I free cut it. Having the speed square there does kind of keep you straight. So I kind of know when you see I'm cutting in the box. So it's a sacrificial cutting point. Size you want. Speed square, square place. And I'm going to hold it right here around the edge of the box so don't go nowhere. Line up the saw blade too. Okay, I got the saw blade lined up exactly where I want, and it's against the edge of the speed square. As you go, you just keep eating into the box, eating more and more in the box, but hey, boxes come with the siding, and they're sacrificial. Just going to recycle them anyway.